What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got our first modifications coming to the Tacoma. So as you know, 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 Chrome Edition. That's what we're talking about. That's the issue of today's video. We got a lot of chrome. It's like I went to the buffet and bit off the biggest piece of chrome that I can. I think only the Limited has more chrome than this. I think all the way down here it has like some chrome accents, which would be really difficult, I think, to swap out. I don't know, but I think this version has a lot of chrome. The Limited, for some reason, has a lot more chrome. I guess the fancier you are, the more chrome you have. There are some things that we do have to change. It's not too difficult. I think it'll be fairly simple, but the main thing that I want to get rid of now are the smaller things, like this 4x4 badge right here, this V6 badge right here, and then we also have to do this chrome thing right here. But I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, the SR5 badge has to go like ASAP because I'm not a fan of it. I don't know, I'm not too excited about it. So I'm showing you guys what we have to remove first. I think there's like a famous saying, if you don't plan, then you plan to fail. Something like that. I try to get inspirational for you guys, but I end up failing. I do want to remove the SR5 badge, like I said, but I feel like it's gonna be on there longer than I think, I guess. Some people use fishing line, but I'm looking at it now, and it looks a little bit sketchy. I'm not gonna lie. It looks a little scary because you gotta get back there and then you gotta try not to get the paint. What we're about to do now, we're gonna swap this over. We're gonna go on to my phone and we're gonna hit up Amazon. So everything I'm about to show you guys will be listed on Amazon. I am gonna buy it and I'm gonna go through, install it in not this video because, well, Amazon isn't that good yet, right? All right, well, with all that being said, let's hop on to the phone. Let's take a look at what we need to buy to get what we've covered. Hello, good, how are you? Oh, no, I'm just recording videos for YouTube about my truck.
So, private property?
Oh, I didn't know.
On our cameras?
Okay, weird segment of the video. I just got kicked off private property. So yeah, sorry that we jumped around. That was a first. So we've moved locations. This is our more traditional spot, but I found another spot that seemed a little bit more secluded, but yeah, I guess I can't record there. So I think I found our number one thing. These will all be linked in the description down below. Of course, I do earn a bit of a commission off of, what is this, 24 bucks. So, you know, if you want to help out the channel, this is probably one of the best ways other than liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we're going for. It does exactly what I needed to do, just black it out. Looks decent quality. One thing that you can see here, it looks like the V6 is the 6, it has 2 holes. Right here it doesn't, if you get what I'm saying. It looks like it like covers the holes versus the actual 6 has the hole. I don't know what I'm trying to say. You get what I'm trying to say. I hope you do. If not, I'm sorry. Blacked out overlays, I think that's what I'm shooting for. One thing I like to do with these, I like to go all the way down to get reviews, to see what people honestly have to say. Looks great, no more chrome. Shout out, no more chrome. Fitment for my truck was perfect. SR5, and I'm not getting the SR5 part. This guy was not happy with it. All right, fair enough. I think I'm gonna buy this one. The tailgate. I want to get the tailgate black letters so that it's raised, so it kind of stands out. So we're gonna have the 4x4 here, the blacked out V6, and then the Tacoma badging. It's kind of gonna bring everything together, really. And then we still got to work on the bumper caps. Now, I don't know what direction I want to go with the truck. I don't know if I want to go for like something like super sporty, but the reason I bring it up is if I put a big like off-road bumper on the back and black it out, it kind of kills the vibe of the rest of the truck. I don't know. I want to plan accordingly. We're gonna go small bits by small bits until we, you know, we can get to the big bit. What do you guys think? Should I buy bumper caps or get a whole off-roading bumper? If you guys have some off-road bumpers, let me know what you guys think. Think we can pick this up. What I like about that last kit is that just one kit and I'm good to go. So we're pretty much gonna do everything we need just with 2 things. So we're gonna spend 40 bucks and black out pretty much everything. So like we said at the beginning of the video, we want to black out the Tacoma badge, we want to black out the badging on the back, the 4x4, the V6, and then the other side where it says Tacoma. But we're gonna go ahead and go one step further, kind of just to bring things in unison as much as we can and put that black Tacoma lettering in there. I think it's gonna make everything look a little bit better. If you're looking to modify, it doesn't cost much, $40. I mean, you spend that in one Walmart trip that you weren't even supposed to do. And then that's just one mod down for many mods to come. If you're into that, modifications, Tacomas, Aing, you're in the right spot. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out here like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.